to the safety of everybody, please be reminded that we have a safety procedure while we are in this conference. We have here starting today and tomorrow, the whole day tomorrow. So, in case of emergency, earthquake or fire, this is our designated, this is our area here. So you can see we have the exit on this side, which is that one and the other one. Then we have the exit going to the toilet, straight to the toilet. May pintuan din doon. We have the exit on the main entrance anyway. So that is our exit. The entrance is there. So we will go out, calm, then help to others, our brothers and sisters, kung kinakailangan. So, our assembly area, we will be doing, when we go out that one, everybody of us will going directly to that side. So, our assembly area will be on the middle of the rugby field. Malaki yan dyan. So, lahat tayo, pupunta tayo doon, except the event warden ang mag-iikot dito sa loob, which is our brother Jonathan Daal. Okay? So, and also tonight, brothers and sisters, I just want you to, if you can see your registration booklet, if you have a look at one. Registration booklet, this is conference booklet. On back of that one, there is a white and black letter. So this is our conference activity for the whole weekend. So this is like a bingo one. Bingo, read the instruction. This is an activity for us so that we will meet our brothers and sisters far away from the Southland going to the Northland within the South Island. Okay? Pagkatapos niyan, doon tayo sa rugby field, maglalaban yung North at saka South. Okay. Then, just comply the criteria of the activity. Then, I want to tell you that we have a big prize for this one. But it is limited. So kung sino lang makauna. So, we will give you a time, we will suggest that one from the creatives. The creatives then suggested this one that we will complete this one on tomorrow at lunchtime, but we will adjust that one to until the afternoon break. So afternoon break, kung sino una makakomplete yan, there is a prize given by the team. Okay, thank you, be blessed for this weekend, and thank you very much.
Brothers and sisters, please.